Alrighty, a little bit of an update for today. I haven't done much, but I've been pretty crook the last couple of months. Another life issues. Anyway, so what have I done today? Let's have a look. I built this victron battery monitor. It's using a Raspberry Pi and a screen, and just using some VE direct to USB cables to connect to my BMS. It's just temporary at the moment, just to test it, but that all connects through Ethernet through 4G, and I can access that remotely from anywhere, which is brilliant. What else did I do today? I just sort of temporarily hooked up a electric water pump down there onto the internal water tanks coming up to a tap here, and I also connected up the pump, the foot pump, to the internal water tanks. And I have got the bits to do the raw water in, so that's going to be my raw water inlet, and go, so one of these will come out and go to the saltwater hand pump and deck wash pump and stuff, and the other one's going to go to the intake for the engine through a seacock, or ball cock. I'm going to put another ball cock down in there on this one, which will go to the engine. Have that one go to my deck wash pump and to the hand wash pump in the sink, and that should be that sorted. Only temporary while I'm working, so at least I've got water to use. The idea is at least that I've got water to wash hands and clean up and stuff like that, and I wanted pressure water so I could spray the deck down and stuff before I paint, instead of using salt water. Wash it down with salt water, then just rinse it off with fresh water before I hit it with metho and paint it. Anyway, that's the idea. Anyway, so that's it for me today. I'll get back to you when I get some more work done. Have a good one. Catch yous. Oh, alright, we're back on the boat again. We even brought the young fella with me today. But we just got this engine controller installed in the cockpit. Let's have a look. Alrighty, one engine controller installed in the cockpit. Problem is, my cable is about 6 inches too short. That's handy. So I'm going to have to buy a new cable for that. Otherwise, one more job done, crossed off the list. Howdy peoples, just been doing a little bit of a clean up today. Let's have a look. We want to spend, the reason I'm doing a clean up is because we've got what, 6 weeks till Christmas, and the missus and the kids want to stay on the boat for Christmas, New Year's, so I've got to clean it up a bit, even though we can't really go anywhere. But by then I should have everything hooked up. The engine controller hooked into the cockpit now. I've just got to hook this end up, but I've got to replace my throttle cable. Was about 6 inches, 8 inches too short, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those. And I've just done a bit of a clean up. Sweep that out a little bit of a clean up in here. Put the cushion back in, and one on that side. A bit of a clean up around the kitchen area. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. Anyway, that's my update for today. Have a good one, guys. Howdy peeps, let's see what I did today. Alright, I've just temporarily put that in there so I know where the cable's going to run. So finally, that's my gear change lever. I'm just going to put a L plate piece of angle in here, aluminium angle, and put a clamp on that onto the angle to hold it, and that'll give me my gear shift hooked up, and the throttle cable's hooked up. I even cleaned the bilge this morning and put that battery up, the starter battery back up there. Oh, there. A little bit of a clean, looks good. All right.